First of all, a big hi for all of you. Today, let's do the first chapter from the textbook A Pact with the Sun, Class 6 English. And the title of the story is A Tale of Two Birds. A Tale of Two Birds is a story that teaches that a person's company has lots of influence on him or her. In bad company, one is prone to become bad. On the contrary, good company has quiet and agreeable and pleasant impact on one's personality. Friends, I will explain a short summary of the lesson first. Then, let's study some short questions and answers. So, now let's come to the story. The story is about a family of birds consisting of a mother bird and her two baby birds. They lived in a tall tree in the forest. One night there was a huge thunderstorm happened. A branch broke and fell on the nest, killing the mother bird. The gale carried the baby birds far away to the other side of the forest. One baby bird fell near a cave. In that cave lived a gang of robbers. The other baby bird fell near a rishi's ashram. With the passage of time, both the birds grew young. The one grew among the robbers and the other grew in the wholesome company of the rishi. One day, the king of the country came to the forest for hunting. He lost his way. Finding his way, he came close to the cave of robbers. He was shocked to hear the voice of a bird calling out to rob the man near the cave. Listening to this voice, the king mounted his horse and rode away. Riding, he came quite close to the rishi's ashram. The king sat under a tree to rest. He was amazed to hear a very pleasant voice of a bird welcoming him. The king was more amazed to see that the bird resembled the bird he had seen near the cave. Soon the rishi arrived and welcomed the king. He took him inside the ashram. The king asked in amazement how the same looking birds could be so different in nature. The rishi explained to him how good or bad company had good and bad effect on one's growth and development. The bird near the cave had grown up hearing the evil words of the robbers, but the bird near the ashram had grown hearing good words that had made the difference. So students, now we learned the chapter A Tale of Two Birds, and from this lesson we came to know about the young birds who get separated and find different homes. One is a cave of robbers, another in a rishi's ashram. A king meets them and learns how we become like the company we keep. This is the story. Now let's study some questions and answers. Short questions and answers from this chapter. First question. How did the two baby birds get separated? Answer. One day, there was a big storm and the wind blew down many trees, including the tall tree in which the birds lived. A big, heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. But the strong wind blew the baby birds away to the other side of the forest. Both landed at different places. This is how the two birds were separated. Second question is, where did each of them find a home? Answer. One baby bird found a home near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other landed outside a rishi's ashram a little distance away. The third question is, what did the first bird say to the stranger? The first bird cried out to the stranger to hurry up and come quick as there was someone under the tree. It said, come and take away his jewels and his house in a hurry, or else he would slip away. The fourth question is, what did the second bird say to him? Answer. The second bird welcomed the stranger in a gentle voice to the ashram and requested him to go inside and rest. He then said that the rishi would be back soon and asked him to drink someone cold water and make himself comfortable. And the final one is, how did the rishi explain the different ways in which the birds behaved? Answer. The rishi smiled and explained the different ways in which the birds behaved by saying, after all, one is known by the company one keeps. The first bird has always heard the talk of robbers, imitates them and talks about robbing people. The other bird repeats what he always hears and so welcomes people to the ashram. So dear friends, in today's class we have learned the story of two birds. This story is very inspiring and heart-touching. And you know what is the moral of this lesson? The moral of this story is one is known by the company one keeps and how good and bird company had good and bad effects on one's growth and development. So friends, I hope all of you understood this chapter clearly. We'll meet you again with another important chapter in next video. Till then, goodbye.